The Oral-B Pro 2000 stands out for a good and very effective cleaning action, using 3D technology. Its head, in fact, makes a triple movement, rotating, pulsing and oscillating at the same time. In this way, the tooth surface is literally wrapped by bristles and cleaned at 360 degrees. In addition, there are 2 brushing programs available for this model. Although it is a rather essential model, the Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction can boast a certain versatility. Specifically, this electric toothbrush includes the following programs. Daily cleaning. It is the standard daily brushing program, which has a total duration of 2 minutes, the time recommended by dentists. Gum protection. In this mode, the Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction emits massaging vibrations to gently stimulate the gums. Functions. This model can boast a number of elements that make it an intuitive and very easy to use electric toothbrush. Let's see in detail what features we're talking about. Pressure sensor. The Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction comes with a red LED light, placed on the back of the handle, which lights up when the user is brushing with excessive energy and pressure, thus threatening to damage teeth and gums. Timer. Every 30 seconds, this electric toothbrush beeps to warn the user that it is necessary to switch to another area of the mouth, so as not to insist excessively on the same point of the dental arch. After the 2 minutes recommended for daily cleaning, the Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction emits a vibration, informing the user that the cleaning cycle is finished. Compatibility with other Oral-B heads. As already mentioned, the Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction is a rather essential electric toothbrush, which is sold with only one type of head. However, it is important to note that this model is compatible with a wide range of Oral-B heads, which can be purchased separately to adapt the toothbrush to your needs. Power. This model is powered by an inner battery with a charging stand, which guarantees significantly higher performance than electric toothbrushes powered by replaceable batteries. It is, however, a nickel metal hydride battery that lasts a long time but can experience the so-called memory effect, and be subject to performance drops over time. This is not the case with lithium batteries, which we usually find in more sophisticated models. In any case, a full recharge, which lasts about 12 hours, should guarantee a 7-day autonomy, a number that we consider satisfactory for most users. Design. The Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction is not a model with particularly sophisticated elements, which we might find instead in top-of-the-range devices. From a structural point of view, however, this toothbrush is satisfactory. Although essential, the body is distinguished by a small footprint and is covered with a rubber material that allows for a secure grip even when the hands are wet. Furthermore, thanks to the supplied charging base, the Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction can be kept permanently upright on a bathroom shelf. Accessories. The Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction does not include extra accessories. The package therefore includes a charging base and a head, which is not of the standard type, but falls within the CrossAction line. Its bristles, in fact, are angled and arranged in order to guarantee an even deeper and more precise cleaning. User opinions. The Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction reported a great success in sales and, in general, most users who bought it were satisfied with the results obtained with this electric toothbrush. The criticisms and doubts on the forums relate essentially to charging times. Some say that the latter is excessive and that it takes up to 20 hours for the Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction to fully recharge. Others point out that battery performance has dropped slightly over time, which unfortunately is a known fact when dealing with a nickel metal hydride battery. Final verdict. This mid-price electric toothbrush convinces with the wealth of features available, such as the built-in timer and pressure sensor, the 2 cleaning programs and the internal rechargeable battery, which allows for a good autonomy. This model does not have special accessories or extra heads, but it allows to expand its versatility according to the needs of the user, being compatible with a wide range of Oral-B heads. For this reason, the Oral-B Pro 2000 CrossAction is suitable for those who want a functional, good quality and affordable toothbrush, suitable for daily cleaning and also for gum treatment. Due to the absence of a head compartment in the base, we do not recommend it to those interested in a model suitable for family use.